It's Maria Heller. How have you guys been finding the week so far? How do they relate to the cards we got so far? Here it is Thursday, week's almost done. So hopefully you've gotten some stuff for yourself out of these little card of the days. And I love when you guys comment and give me some feedback on that. I do always get feedback from my real clients that get their readings, and it's usually pretty positive. Sometimes it frightens me how accurate I am. But anyway, let's get to today's card on this Thursday. So give me a little minute to shuffle. Oh my, this is a wonderful card. It is the World. Okay. And some of you, as you know, that I do read for, when you're asking me, should I travel, and give me travel dates, places in the world you want to go, I will always tell you whether it's safe for you or not. And I think everybody should do that, given the climate of this world, before they book any trips, and especially you don't want to be traveling on a Mercury retrograde if you can avoid it. But the world is also a messenger, okay? You might be doing something, or your business might be a business that you're keeping local, but maybe it could become international. So you might want to think about that, because this is a card where the person who gets it has all the gifts they need to really create anything and everything that they want. And you're like one step away. So as the book said, don't quit when you're 3 feet from gold. So that is an excellent card for today. And again, if you'd like to have a private session with me, which is always confidential and recorded for you, just DM me and we'll set it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow.